So I thought this YouTube would be really useful for those of you thinking about doing the divorce yourself online using the government website. Now we're about to hit a sort of a crossover point. 6th of April, we're hoping that the government will introduce the no fault divorce, so a new piece of legislation that's coming in. So I'm going to go through both processes because you may want to start before the 6th of April. If you do, the starting point will be your divorce petition. You've got to complete your divorce petition, whether you wait to go and do it on the 6th of April or whether you're going to do it now, okay? If you're going to do it now, you're going to have to choose one of these reasons for divorce: unreasonable behaviour, adultery, 2-year separation, 5-year separation, or desertion. Remember, if you are issuing the divorce petition, it has to be the other party's unreasonable behaviour and the other party's adultery, okay? You also are going to need consent from the other party if you are going to rely on 2-year separation or adultery. So remember that. If you wait until the 6th of April, step number 1 is still going to be the petition, but it's no fault, no blame, okay? So you can literally complete the divorce petition without having to reference any of these and without having to give examples of the other party's blame, conduct, whatever it might be. Moving on then to step 2, once your divorce petition has been issued, the next part in the process is to apply for your decree nisi. Now I'm using the old terminology, so as the law is today, step 2 is your decree nisi. It's not your decree absolute. When we move to the 6th of April, that's going to be called a conditional order. Exactly the same thing. It's step 2 in both the process. You're not quite divorced yet, but if you do it now, decree nisi. If you do it after the 6th of April, a conditional order. And you as the petitioner will need to apply for that. And then the final step is to apply for your decree absolute. And again, that's the current legislation that we're using. In the new system after the 6th of April, it's going to be called your final order. It's at that point that your marriage is officially brought to an end. And again, you have to you as the petitioner have to make the application for that. So you're going to do your divorce petition, you're then going to apply for your decree nisi, you're then going to apply for your decree absolute. And after the 6th of April, divorce petition, conditional order, final order. So the main differences between the two processes are you've got the old process or the current process that we're using at the moment, which has to be a single application. So only one of you can put the divorce petition in. With the new process, as of the 6th of April, it can, if you want it to be a joint application. With the current process, you can contest it. So the other side can contest the divorce. With the new process, there's going to be no ability to contest. So if the other side aren't in agreement to getting a divorce, they're unable to contest your divorce petition. The old system that we use now has to be blame, unless you're using 2-year separation by consent or 5-year separation, but there has to be blame. Whereas in the new process as of the 6th of April, there's no blame. The things that remain the same are you're still looking at about 6 months to get your divorce, whether you do the old system and begin that now, or whether you wait till the 6th of April and begin it then, and you're still looking at the same court fee, which is £593. That court fee is the same whether you apply online or whether you get a solicitor to do it. The court fee is always the same. Obviously, if you're going to instruct a solicitor to do it, you're then going to have the solicitor's fees on top, but essentially your court fee will remain the same. The question I'm being asked a lot at the moment is, should we wait? Should we wait to do it on the 6th of April or should we just kick it off now? It's very attractive to wait until the 6th of April because then we have no blame. It can be a joint application if you want to, and the other side can't contest it. But I think the bigger thing is, or the best question to ask yourselves is, can we wait? You know, what's in the best interest of any children that might be involved? And will it impact on the financial settlement if you wait to the 6th of April? So if it's just divorce, perhaps you might want to wait until the 6th of April. But if there's more things that need to be dealt with, like children and finances, then you might want to start it now rather than waiting.